Wait, did they say name on it, or it's all one? Okay.
Open it.
You want to open it yourself?
I want to.
Okay.
It's hard. It's very hard. Do that with this. Do that with this. Do that with that.
Okay. Keep going.
Mine's let's see which way it is. Oh, let's open it. Okay? Hey, Vidi!
What is it?
Okay, a princess watch.
Wow. What do you say to Baba?
Thank you.
What did Aspen get?
Thank you. And that. What's inside it? Can you put this on me?
Let's see what Aspen got.
A
Daddy,
bag.
can you open?
Can you open that? What's in there?
Oh, it's a car.
I open my car.
You want to open your car?
Sage, which princesses are on there?
Belle, Cinderella, Princess and the Frog, and Speed Beauty.
So now that you're 4 years old, you get your own watch? Wow.
What's in there? Dump it. Put in there. Ooh. What? A wasp. Something. It's a wasp. It's like Daddy. Can you? I'll pour it. I want that. A wasp. I want that.
What do you say, Aspen, to Baba's?
I want it out.
Put it back in and take it out.
Can you open this?
Hold on. Okay, now you take it out.
I know what.
Aspen, what do you say?
It's a Baba. Put it on me. Can you put it on me?